up everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle if you have not met me already, and if you have not met me already, you will be meeting me soon because festivals are officially jump-starting. They're officially happening. They were kind of already happening, but there was some weird cancellations, weird things going on. EDC Vegas, do we even understand? Do we even know? The answer to that is no. Anyways, so I already had a backup plan, and that backup plan was Sunset Music Festival. I already talked about it in my latest vlog. So my very first festival back will officially be a Sunset Music Festival in Tampa. A little triggered by the Tampa, but nonetheless I am super excited, super pumped. And in today's video I wanted to get all of you guys excited by making some fun candy and showing you guys what I'm planning on wearing to Sunset Music Festival. In the pre-pandemic days, right before any festival, I would do some fun little crafty DIYs or make some candy, and you guys always really loved watching that. So I'm going to be doing that again and basically make it a tradition where right before any festival I will either do something super crafty regarding like my outfit or something like that, or just sit down and chill and make some candy with you guys. Real quick, I do want to show you guys what I'm going to wear. I am not going to try it on because one of the outfits you have already seen several times over on my Instagram and on this channel, and then the other one you'll just have to follow me on my Instagram if you don't already to see it, because I have lots of different little photo ideas planned. The first one I'll show you that I'm definitely wearing. Through hell or high water, I am wearing this outfit. I thought I was originally going to wear it to EDC Vegas, but so 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, Saturday the 29th and Sunday the 30th, the end of this month. What is happening? Time is literally flying by. This one is the one that I got from Nocturnal Necessities. I'm literally obsessed with this. I cannot wait to wear this outfit. I've been just patiently waiting, honestly. It's called the Psychedelic Swirl Set, I'm pretty sure. I love all the funky patterns. I love the little charm. I'm probably going to wear what I'm wearing now as far as jewelry is concerned. These are from Nomad Candy, and this is from Sparkling Unicorns. The matching skirt just looks like this, and I feel like it's so flattering. I like it because the way that it sits on my hips, it still kind of like shows a little bit of my bum, if you will, and I just feel like it just looks very flattering on. It's very soft. And then I'm just going to be wearing these booty shorts that I got from Shop Beaglets. I never know if it's Shop Beaglets or Beaglets. I guess it's both. I got these years ago, never got to wear them. As you all know, the year I was supposed to go to Coachella, it was canceled. So now we're going to make use for these bottoms finally elsewhere. But I just think that this in total will be super comfortable, and I know it's about to be really, really hot, so I don't really want too much else on my body when it comes to this outfit. I also haven't decided if I'm going to wear my white boots, my current mood white boots, or my Vans. I kind of just want to wear my Vans so that way I have a lot of comfortability and I can dance, shuffle dance and stuff. But we shall see. I'm not sure what I'm going to wear with that yet. Then the second outfit I actually just bought, but this set is from Rave After Rave. I'm obsessed with Rave After Rave. I love all of her pieces, and this is just some matching sets that she's put out. She has a bunch of different colors, but I have been vibing with like yellows and oranges lately. I really love the chain detail. I also have that green bathing suit top, which I have yet to wear to a festival as well. That might be a Lost Lands outfit. And I don't know, anything that she makes is just so cute. It's like simple, but like it's just perfect. It's perfect to like really do it up. The chains kind of they like rest on your hip. I really, really love this. I have orange fishnets, and I feel like if I just do a whole orange moment, that would be a lot of fun. And then to accessorize, I wanted to get some more stuff from Nomad Candy because I really, really love her stuff. And I saw these smiley face earrings. This is such a vibe. You can't be sad with smiley face earrings. And then to match it, I wanted to add a little bit of color, so I just figured if I got it's a smiley face necklace. I also like how the chain matches this chain. And then we got a little bit of a blue moment. I think that orange and blue actually look really nice together, oddly enough. So I just thought that this whole outfit would be really fun and a really good sunset vibe. That is what I am wearing. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see all of you guys and dance around and have such a good time. So in the past, when I've made a lot of candy videos, I feel like a lot of you guys had kind of stumbled upon the video to either chill and make the candy alongside with me, which was the intention of when I made that video. But then I also realized I had a lot of people watching that for like almost like a tutorial, which I want to tell you right off the bat, I am not a DIY person. Like I said, I do love to get crafty, but this is not a craft channel in the slightest bit. I kind of learn as I go, and in that particular video that I'm talking about, I was very new to making candy. So since then I've got tons of new updates that I can talk about with you guys. And I'll give you some tips and tricks on what I like to do when it comes to making candy, in case you did come to this video for some advice, like if you're new to making it. If you're new to making it and you're kind of like wondering what candy is just these fun little bracelets that people like to trade out at festivals or at shows. It's all a part of the Plur community, which is peace, love, unity, and respect. You can not only trade out candy bracelets, but you can make candy perler necklaces and a bunch of different things. I've actually had people trade me out more than just candy perlers or bracelets or anything like that. I've had people trade me out like finger puppets. I've had little like dinosaurs given out to me when I was at Lost Lands. I've had like little like candy, I guess, clips that you can clip onto things. So you really can get creative when it comes to this. The whole act is kind of like giving and like trading and just making friends. But my all-time favorite, I guess, is to make the candy, just because I like to make really fun sayings and just it's memorabilia. I know when I receive it, it's always a lot of fun, so I figure I like to give it as well. I just like to give people things. When it comes to candy, like what to put on it, it really depends. You can put on pretty much whatever you would like. I usually do a mix between the event that I'm going to, the colors of the event that I'm going to, or like the theme, the DJs that are playing, like the lineup, or any type of, I guess, inside joke related to that. It could even be an inside joke like within the music. For example, Subtronics, he always says a lot of things in his, like, now that's what I call rhythm playlists. So sometimes I will take from that and make some stuff with it. But truly you can make whatever you want. I do like to do the inside jokes that I've had with my rave group and my rave friends. However, trading those out, like, people aren't going to understand. So I usually like to make it something that anybody can kind of figure out. I had already kind of started making some stuff, and I just made this bracelet. You can't really see it, but it says sunset. And I just did a bunch of like orange, yellow, reds, like sunset colors. So that way, whenever I trade this out, anybody who gets it and has it forever will be like, oh my gosh, this is from Sunset Music Festival. I remember when I got this candy, you know? Also, it matches this outfit, so I'd definitely be wearing it with this outfit. There's also going to be some people that I've met online, kind of, that I know are going. So I'll probably do something regarding that. I haven't quite thought about what I want to do with that yet. Let's see who's on the lineup. You think I would have this lineup memorized by now, but I don't. I have to literally look at it every 5 minutes. So on Saturday, we could do 7 Lions. I don't think I've ever made a 7 Lions candy, and that would be really fun to trade out. Zomboy would be really fun to trade out. Lucy, I really like Lucy. Midnight Tea would be a good one to trade. I have a couple different candy making videos now on my channel, but the very first one that I ever did, I was using a clear string like this. If you are new to making candy, I 10 out of 10 do not recommend getting this string. Personally, it is very hard to tie and it doesn't stretch as nice. So when you go to trade with people, it kind of gets like stuck, and everybody's wrist size is different, obviously. So I just don't recommend this one. When I learned that, I upgraded to this string, which is like that stretchy elastic, but it's like, what's the word? This is like more like actually materialized. What is this, the term of this? It's not plastic. These are way, way better to tie things with. So I definitely recommend. Originally, when I had bought all the stuff, I got it from Michael's. I do not recommend getting your stuff from Michael's because it is so expensive. It is great for last minute, which I am the queen of last minute, so I probably will wind up continuing to buy stuff from Michael's just because I think of things last minute. But that is where I got all of this. And I've just been using it ever since. It kind of is worth money because it has lasted me a long time. Then I got my letters at Michael's as well. But since then I kind of like started running out of them. So I started ordering some more off of Amazon, and they came in these really cute little bags, and I just recommend getting all of your supplies from Amazon in general. It just is a lot cheaper and more convenient, I guess. I also have like really fun mermaid looking colors. I don't know what happened to those. Also a pair of scissors. I'm just using these like little eyebrow cutters that I just had sitting over there. But that is basically all that you need. If you want to do little charms and stuff, that would be your time to get all that with your supplies as well. Like I said, I just don't have any of the like super fun stuff right now. This is the hardest part. I really cannot figure out what I want to say on my candy. It literally took me so long to figure out what I wanted to say on my candy that I forgot to tell you guys what I was trying to say. I was trying to say, "Ew, your planet is gross," which is a song from Ella Stream and Comet. Go listen to the song and you'll know what I'm trying to say if you don't know what I'm trying to say. But that's basically what I put on the candy, but I never explained it, so I'm explaining it now. Okay, basically what I do once I've established what I want to say, I will get all of the letters in order. Also, maybe you want to do this on a table or like a floor, not a bed like I am right now, because it can be kind of messy. And since this is going to be like a pretty long message, I probably will switch the letters, which I think is really cool anyway. I kind of like to just change everything up and like make it look really cool. Vowels are so hard to find. I don't know if I use them. Like, where do they all go? They just disappear, I swear. So when I'm doing like a couple different like words in one thing, I basically will put a separator in between them, like a separator being like one of these. You guys will see. Here's another trick. If you're like looking for a specific letter but you feel like you can't find it, or you just want to change it up, you can like make different things. So like, for example, if I need an A, sometimes I'll do like an upside down V, which looks really cool. We have ew so far. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing here, but I just got EW in different colors. Another E. I'm struggling. Panicking. Out of all these, I swear, like, you would think, this is how it's really gonna be, I guess. It's really gonna be that we don't have an E. I'm just put these in here. Oops, I don't care. I found one. Planet. Okay, I'm going to spell I-Z. I'm going to do I-Z. Okay, now we just have gross. Now we establish the length. And I like to do a little bit, I guess, longer because you can always cut it. But if it's too short, then it'll be kind of hard to do. So it's about this much in length. So that way I have a little bit of room to tie it to. Mind you, it is stretchy. So once I establish that, I'm basically going to put on some cool beads. I'm probably going to do like the teals and the blue and the purples to kind of go with that outfit. And I'm just going to kind of go back and forth based off of like what I see in this little skirt that I'm going to be wearing. See this one? That's what I'm going off of. Now I'm going to start adding the letters in since I do have a lot. And this is what I meant where I do like the blockers. So I said I have ew so far. You can't really tell. But now I'm going to put one of these on to block it. Then I'm going to add the your. Your. Oh, I forgot. Shoot, I forgot the A. Don't spell it wrong. I mean, you can if you want. Try not to spell it wrong so that way when you trade, the person knows what the heck you're talking about. Beautiful. We have, ew, your planet is gross now. You want to make sure that it'll still fit. I think this amount is fine. So now we're going to do the surgeon knot, which is what I talked about in my very first video, although I didn't describe it very well. But basically, you just tie it, you loop it once like this, and then you tie it. And then you're going to loop it another time. And acrylic nails makes this really challenging. You loop it after the first loop, you loop it again, and you loop that again, but the opposite way. So you loop basically 3 times. So badly want to put my teeth on this, but due to COVID, I am not going to do that. Got it. Beautiful. Now you tie it nice and taut, and then you have a little excess. I just like to cut that off. Beautiful. And there you have it. Nice and stretchy. And it says, ew, your planet is gross. Most of you guys might probably already know how to trade the candy, but in case you do not, I will basically tell you how you do it. I also just recently learned this. I had no idea. Curly here on YouTube explained it, that it's kind of like an unspoken rule, and that is all the ones you do not want to trade out, you put on your left wrist, and all the ones that you do want to trade out go on your right. Basically, when you're going to trade with somebody, it is peace, love, unity, and respect. That is what PLUR stands for. And you basically will go up to the person like this. I mean, well, make sure that they know first. Don't just do this and then I mean, you can if you want, and hopefully they'll figure it out. But yeah, so you go up to the person like this. You do peace, love, unity, respect. And once once your hands are clenched together nice and tight, that is when you will take the candy off and your hands are together, and you will put it on to the other side and give them the candy. And it's a great experience. Anyways, I'm going to probably make a couple different more candies tonight and get things up and running and ready for sunset. I really thank you guys for hanging out with me and getting excited with me for the festival. I literally can't wait. Like, this is jump-starting my life again, and I am so excited. I hope to meet you guys there. If you're going, leave a comment down below. I'm going to really try to meet up with as many people as I possibly can while I'm there. I hope that this video was informative if this is your first time ever making candy. And if it is not your first time and you're a veteran, I hope that you had a really good time chilling out with me and making some candy together. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my festival content. Tons more coming your way. Stay tuned for other videos that I have planned. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram so you can see all of these outfits styled. I'm back, bitches. I am back. So I think that is all that I have left to say. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.